Hi, do you know you can actually sell some goods and products without you having them at your shop or at your place? That is drop shipping. So today I want us to discuss on how you can make money being a drop shipper. Okay, it is very, very simple. You can do it whether you are living in USA, you are living in Asia, whether you're living in Europe, you are living in Africa, anywhere in the world. You can actually drop ship. You can actually drop ship worldwide without you having that particular product, or without you producing that particular product by yourself. That is dropshipping. An e-commerce business, an e-commerce fulfillment. Here, the seller does not have the inventory or does not have the products, by himself, but he do make sales, a lot of sales with those products. Okay, that is the easiest and the most stress-free business one can do. Now, let me explain. It doesn't take you much. In fact, it will make it's a business whereby you don't spend much. You don't even spend anything. The only thing you will be getting, is your gain. Your income will keep on flowing into your account without you spending any time. That is dropshipping. Many of you doesn't know that most goods you bought online, most of them are not actually owned or even are not actually in the store of the seller. Most of you doesn't know that some certain things you bought online, those sellers does not have it at their disposal. Be it gadgets, be it clothing, be it clothes, be it gadget, be it anything, properties that most of you used to buy online. Those sellers doesn't have them at their shop. That is simple drop shipping. Now, how did they do it? They have to reach an agreement with the manufacturer, the producer, or the wholesaler. Okay, they have to reach a particular agreement with them. You go and meet them. Either you meet them physically or you via online. I kind of hello, I want to be drop shipping your goods. I like your goods and I want to be drop shipping your goods. I'm a drop shipper. I sell things online. So can you deliver to a customer if I have demand? Can you drop ship deliver to my customers once I have a demand? Now the person will either say yes or no, depending on the understanding that the person have. And if it is physical, maybe the person's factory or shop, you can actually meet the person. Please, sir, I want to be selling your goods via online. Please, once I have demand, I would like you to ship to my customers, and you take your own cards and give me my own cards. Okay, or I'll give you your own cards and take my own cards. Either ways, you make an agreement with the seller. Then you start posting those stuffs online. You post them on your Facebook, you post them on your TikTok, you post them on your Instagram, you post them on your X, you post them on your WhatsApp. Be updating those of your customers, be updating the audience. Let them know that you can actually sell television, you can actually sell phone, you can actually sell clothes, those people are merchandise. They sell different kind of products. Okay? Now what happened? When a customer picks interest and reach out to the dropshipper online, please, I need so television. Now, if the television is $5, the seller, the dropshipper can make it $7. Okay. Now, when they agree, the customer will now pay to the dropshipper. The dropshipper will now pay to the wholesaler $5, being the wholesale price, and take his or her own cut, which is $2. Then the wholesaler will now ship with every necessary information that the wholesaler needs to ship in order to ship to the customer. The dropshipper will now make all the informations available for the wholesaler. Now the wholesaler will now ship it to the buyer. That is another way. And the other way, the dropshipper can actually ship it by himself or herself. Okay? What matters is the money gets to you, the money gets to the wholesalers, and you ship to the buyer. So the money comes, the dropshipper posts, the customer pays interest, the dropshipper now is a kind of a middleman. The dropshipper now discuss with the customer, already discussed with the wholesaler. Now, after agreeing with the customer, the dropshipper will now reach out to will now collect money from the customer, pay the wholesaler, and then make sure that the goods gets to the customer. That's just it. Now, the most interesting part of it is the seller does not spend $1. The customer does not. The dropshipper did not spend $1. Every transaction was made, and every cut, both the wholesaler and the dropshipper makes their own profit, and business is done. So you don't have to, in this time and age, you don't have to worry if you have no money. If you have no money with you, you don't have to bother. You can still make your sales. You can still make massive sales. Be it local, international, you can make this. You can make yourself. You can be a drop shipper. The wholesaler might even be in America, and you are in Asia. The customer might even be in America, and you are in Africa. You can make the transaction work. All you have to do is get your own mode of payment ready for easy transaction. Make sure that the product will get to the customer, and that is it. You can sell anything. You can sell cars. You can sell cars. Anything sellable, you can sell them. Being a dropshipper without you spending a time. Isn't that amazing? That is amazing. In fact, if you want to help yourself, you don't have any reason not to do this. So long as you can be able to type on your phone, so long as you are able to type on your phone, you can do this business. Whether maybe you don't work, you can't work, you're not physically strong, you can do this. It's a business for sit-at-home moms, sit-at-home parents. It's a business for even people that are a couple that want to relocate, or you have, it can be a side hustle as well. You stay at your comfort zone, you stay at your offices, and you get the deal done. So if you've never, hacked into this new trend of business without you spending but getting, please start doing it now. You don't have no reason to be lazy. You don't have no reason to complain. Start dropshipping today and make your dollars. Subscribe and follow me for more. If this kind of content on how to make money online is what you are interested of, okay, I will keep on bringing it to you back to back. My reasons of doing this is to help you to be self-employed and beginning online. A lot of people are making money online, so don't be left behind.